This is going to be a video tutorial on how to hyperlink a shape to a website in Microsoft PowerPoint. I will be using Office 365 on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to PowerPoint here. I have Microsoft PowerPoint opened up now. To hyperlink a shape to a website in PowerPoint, it's very easy to do. I have a little example project opened up here, and I have some shapes on my slide up here. Say that I wanted to hyperlink this last shape to a website. First thing you want to do is select the shape. Now I have some text on my shape, so I want to make sure that I'm not selecting the text. The mouse cursor should be arrows like you see here. I'm going to left click on it. I have the shape selected now. I have the bounding box around the shape. Next thing you want to do is go up to the top up here, up to where you see the Insert tab, and click on Insert. Then on the ribbon, you want to go about halfway down to where it says Link, and you want to click on Link. Then you'll go straight down to where it says Insert Link, and click on Insert Link. Now in the little dialog box that opens up, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to make sure you're on Existing File or Web Page. Then go down to the bottom where it says Address, and then you will type or paste in the URL of the website you want to link this shape to. I'm going to paste mine in there. Then you'll go down to the bottom of that dialog box and click on OK. Now when I place my mouse cursor over that shape, it tells you it is linked to google.com. That's what I linked the shape to, google.com. And it says to hold down the control key and left click to test the link. I'm going to hold down the control key and I'm going to left click on the shape. And it opens up my browser. It opens up google.com. That's what I had it hyperlinked to. That is how to hyperlink a shape to a website in PowerPoint. Thanks for watching.